point. Show an access point. What's wrong with that?
Oh. Yeah.
You worried about that?
Okay, we'll put Sophie, that's great. How's the juice? The what?
Exotic.
Yeah? What do you get?
Level
You get this
4.
What do you get?
I usually go like they're just like, you know, fruit being blended. This
You
is
get the Hawaiian punch. Hawaiian punch.
Going up.
Really? Yeah. Oh.
This is at 50 Margaret Street in Sydney. These used to be EPL, Kone or something, but have been modernised by Kone.
Level 13. Going down. Level 7. Going down. Ground floor.
Okay, that's it.